Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and I'm standing outside the rental property we bought about a month ago. And I showed you one unit before, and we actually have fixed a bunch of the stairway, so it's not so crazy. But this unit just became vacant as well, so I thought I would show it to you. This renter was paying $900 a month. It's funny because this unit was listed as a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, and we'll show you that it's not. But it's what you deal with when getting a good deal. Don't always have the best information. So this property, the tenant was paying every week because he couldn't get the money together to pay every month, and it was kind of his ex-wife and kid living here, and eventually he just said, hey, I can't afford this, I need to move out, otherwise I'm going to break my lease. And we just said, you know what, just go, it's fine. You don't need to, we don't need to force you to stay here when we know you're not going to pay. So we let him go, now it's vacant. This is considered one of the bedrooms. So who can tell me what's wrong with this room? I'm going to point right there. There's no window. You have to have a window to have a legal bedroom. So there's no window here. It is not a bedroom. There's a closet, so that's okay, but not a bedroom. Drop ceiling. This is an old property. I think it's built in the 40s, if I remember right, and probably used to be all commercial, but they turned this part into residential. And then this as well, I guess, has to be considered a bedroom because there's no other option. Again, no window at all. And something else that you can't have, at least in Colorado, is you have to walk through this bedroom to get to the next bedroom, which is also not legal. It does have a closet, but no window, you have to walk through it. So here we have the actual bedroom, which is decent size. It is a little strange that your front, window looks out on Main Street, which is, the main commercial road, and then that's kind of the hair salon, this part of this building as well. It's like 400 square feet, and that door goes out to the hallway. I can actually show you real fast. Right there, and then there's the front door to the property. So really, it's a 1-bedroom, but we might be able to reconfigure it where the kitchen has, if we change it to a bedroom, little tiny half bath back here, but we might not. Actually, the other lady upstairs wants to move downstairs because she doesn't like going up those stairs, so we might be able just to move her down here without doing any work at all. I did open it up there. You can see the ceiling used to be, that's probably 11 feet tall. Huge ceiling, but they put this crappy drop ceiling in. So again, in a perfect world, love to open it all up and make it cool, but it's probably not worth the cost because all your vents, your wiring runs up there, and it just wouldn't work out very well. All right, and here is the other real bathroom, which is a little tight, but it's not in bad shape. There you go. And then we have a weird closet storage room area right there. So that is this unit. We'll see if the lady upstairs wants to just move down here. We'll probably do almost nothing. Maybe paint a little bit. If not, then we might think about fixing it up, making it an actual 2-bedroom. We'll see. But we'll have updates and show you what we do once we get all done. And we have a full video, before video, of the outside of the property and the upstairs unit that I will link to as well. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll have more coming up soon. Alright, I'm going to show you real quick the other unit we're redoing. It's cool.